About to rage quit because your PS5 won't take your debit card? Don't smash that controller, let's fix it. First, double check the obvious. Is the expiration date on your debit card current? An expired card is the most common culprit. Also, ensure the card number, CVV code, and your billing address are entered exactly as they appear on your statement. Even a tiny typo will cause problems. Head to the PlayStation Store and manage your payment methods. Next, verify that your billing address matches the one your bank has on file for your debit card. Discrepancies here can lead to rejection. Contact your bank if you are unsure of the billing address. Also, it can be helpful to remove the card from the system completely and re-enter it. This clears any cache data that might be causing the issue. Finally, it's possible your bank is blocking the transaction. Call your bank's customer service line. Tell them you are trying to make a purchase on the PlayStation Network. Ask them to authorize the transaction, or to check if there are any blocks in place that are preventing the purchase from going through.